What up, guys? LD Builds here. Today we are at Dunning Springs in Decorah, Iowa. I love this place. This place is freaking rad. Go check out the waterfall. And we're gonna go to a cave. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Yeah, it's pretty nice here. Try to get you up here and I'll turn it back on. Stay with me. It's a beautiful hike up to the waterfall. There's a lot of people out here, so I'm not trying to film people. So I'm gonna turn the camera off when people walk by, but I want you guys to be able to take all of this in. It's pretty cool. It's pretty rad. Beautiful Decorah, Iowa. If you're traveling in Iowa, close to Minnesota or Wisconsin, this is definitely a place to come check out. This is Dunning Springs. It's a beautiful waterfall. You can probably hear it. Look at that, dude. Beautiful. This is just a stream that comes down from the waterfall. And this water is ice cold. It comes out of an ice cave. So it is very cold. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's actually the first time I actually used my GoPro. So bear with me. I'm still new to this. But yeah, here we go. Beautiful. There's also hills or limestone type. They're not really mountains, I don't know, but it's pretty tall. And then now we're walking around. Look at that, dude. It's beautiful. I'm probably gonna say that a lot, but it is absolutely breathtaking. Pretty freaking rad. Absolutely breathtaking. Alright, when I get to the top, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, let's see if I can get up here without falling down. Here we go. The ascent. Dude, look at this, Aries. This is cool. Freaking cool. Hold on, Aries. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna be able to record while going off this massive rock ledge. But yeah. Dunning Springs. What do you think, Aries? Is it cool? Yeah, it's way cool. Freaking awesome, dude. Awesome. Alright, guys, let's walk up this waterfall together. This should be really cool. I don't think I've ever showed myself on my camera or my YouTube channel before. But yeah, there we go. This is real. No, I'm not creating this. You brought him, bud. Look at this. Look at the grass growing. It's so freaking cool. Well, we made it up. Look at this, dude. Oh my goodness. This is just epic. Freaking epic. I want to get to that and stay in the middle. Let's see if I can do it. This is really cool. Unreal, man. The camera doesn't do this justice at all. No way. This is freaking rad. Alright, when I get up to the top, I'll bring you guys back. So majestic. we're gonna get up here to where the opening of this cave starts, where the waterfall comes out. I've only been up here once. I know it's pretty dark. I got my son with me, so I gotta be careful on what I do. But this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, I'm recording and taking pictures with my phone. But look at that. This is just beautiful. I'm probably a bad vlogger. I gotta get better at this YouTube stuff. Alright, we made it to the top. We are up here. I guess we're not at the top yet, but this is the entrance to this cave. One of the caves. I'm gonna try to get back in there. So this is where the water comes from. It's all the way down. Pretty freaking cool. I don't know how well the lighting is with this, but this water is so clear. It don't even look like water. But I assure you, it's water. It is nuts in here. Wow, dude. This is a lot to take in, man. Oh my goodness. Cameras don't even do this justice. This is just too cool. I'm still tripping about how clear this water is. I don't want to fall down. It's ice cold. Oh my goodness. Look at that. This is just beautiful. There's literally ice all over the side of this. The ice cave right there. Surreal. Alright dude, let's go the other way. Man, take it in for a second. I find it crazy that a lot of these places like this just gets destroyed. The minerals and things like that. This is just beautiful. Freaking beautiful. Well guys, that is Dunning Springs. We'll see you at the cave. Alright guys, we have made it to Ice Cave in Decorah. Let's go check this thing out. We got a cool little entranceway. Alright, I'll see you when we get into the cave. Alright, this is the entrance to Ice Cave in Decorah, Iowa. You can see the steam. It is very cold in here. Look at that. That is cool. Look at the ice on the areas. Yeah. Alright, remember this part is slippery. Alright, I'm going to turn you guys off until I get down in here. Alright guys, we are back in this cave. It is dark, as you can see. We have a flashlight. My flashlight is dying, so yeah, I just want to show you. Camera does no justice here. But this is freaking rad. You can see the ice all over the walls. This is freaking amazing. This is so cool. Ice Cave, Decorah, Iowa. Pretty dang cool. There's like some Native American art on the walls. You can barely see it now. But yeah, this is freaking awesome. So cool. Yeah, Ice Cave, man. Pretty cool. And there's the exit. Alright guys, this is Decorah, Iowa. This is my outro. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Ice Cave. If you're in the Decorah area, I suggest you go check all of this stuff out. It is definitely worth it. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. It's cool to bring your family in. But yeah, this cave is amazing. The ice everywhere is nuts. Normally there's spiders and stuff, but this time there really wasn't that much. But yeah, it is definitely definitely a cool trip. Alright guys, LD Builds here, out. I will catch you guys on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. See you later.